Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. And today I will be showing you how I use Zazzle forms to promote my products. So when I first got started on Zazzle, and I got started on Zazzle 9 years ago to be exact, Zazzle forms was a platform that really helped get my products out there because there's a lot of affiliate marketers that's searching for products and other Zazzlers and everything searching for products to share. I myself use Zazzle forums to look for products to share and promote on social media. So to access Zazzle forums, you just look at your storefront page and you will see forums and you click on it. And this is the page. So start a conversation where you can, start a conversation. Creators, news and information, help. So this is what the page looks like. And what I do is you can, if you know exactly which form you want to go to, you could just use the drop down menu. Or I like just clicking on creators. And it just shows you like latest creator updates. And it has all the forms like this. And I just like seeing everything all at once. So the best place that I use to the best form that I use for showcasing my products is the show me forms. And what you can do is just click on a topic that you may want to use. I mean, a post that fits what products you want to promote. So let's say, show me something green. Okay. And what I would do is just go to my page and look for items that's green. And in particular, since it's almost Christmas, I would just look for Christmas themed green items. So I already done that right here on my back end. So I'm going to share some products that I want to promote. And I right click this. So basically, the way you share is you click on expand toolbar, HTML, and then you copy and paste the code. Okay, and I'll just share about three for right now. And then you scroll down and this blue button says okay. Even though I don't know if it's just my computer where I cannot see it well, but this is what you click. Okay, and when you preview, this is what it looks like. And it's going to give you this message. Um, you just click reply anyway. and you post it. And what I like to do is scroll up and share other people's products on my own Pinterest account. Okay, and I just will just continue um, scrolling up and sharing products. This is if you want to also gain referrals from sharing products. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.